Okay, we are doing the MC Blue Editing Book, Practice 26 on page 26. 2 lines are correct, find 8 errors. So the first and the last line are correct. So I'm putting a tick to indicate that. Okay. A quick glance of this text tells me that it's a recount, and it's recounting this person Kelsey's experience at the library. So I need to identify what's the dominant tense. To identify the dominant tense, I need to find a verb. So let's read the first sentence. Kelsey was in the library passing time at the magazine section. So what is the verb here? The verb here is was. Okay, so was is in what tense? Was is in what tense is in past tense. So I'll write down that it is in past tense. Okay. Whenever he had some free time, he would spend it at the library. Okay, I noticed that there's a model here, would, and this is in simple past tense. It's wrong. Okay, after would, which is a model, it should be in base form. Base form of spent is spend, S-P-E-N-D. Okay, base form. Okay, next. Reading magazines was one of his favorite things to do. Okay, I realize that this is one things, so this is correct, was correct. He enjoyed reading magazines about fitness and cars. It provided him with bite-sized information on tips to be healthy, and the latest models of sports car provided is correct. Okay, he does not have the, okay, does, this is describing a past event. So past tense of does is did. Okay, did. D-I-D. Okay, so I write past tense. Okay, continue. The patient. Okay, this patient is the person who's sick. So it should be another thing that I noticed. Okay, the definite article. So it should be patience, which is the adjective. Okay, patience. P-A-T-I-E-N-C-E. Patience, the adjective. Okay, not the noun patient. Okay, to sit for a long period of time to plow through a storybook. Fiction to him was a bore. As he was reading a magazine, he noticed a young boy opposite him tearing the pages. Okay, so notice. This is not in past tense, so the past tense of notice is and noticed. Okay, N-O-T-I-C-E-D. Noticed. So that's the past tense form of it. Okay. Alarmed. Okay, Kelsey asked the boy, "What are you doing that?" Okay, that belongs to the library. Okay, so the boy paid no heed to him and continued tearing these pages. Just then, a librarian. Okay, so I notice here that is it this page, which is singular subject, or is it pages? Which one is the error? So, how do you know which one is the correct one? You can look earlier. Okay, earlier pages. So the boy is not just tearing one page. The boy is tearing many pages. So this is the correct one. So the one that needs to be changed would be this. Okay, so this needs to be changed. So the plural form of this is these. Okay, spell that P-H-E-S-E, these. So that will be the plural form. Okay. These pages. Wait. Okay. I think there's an error in this. Okay, why? Because if it's something that's near, it would be these. And if you say that this error form is this plural form, so it should be these. But in this case, it's not Kelsey who's carrying it. It is the boy. So it should be those pages. Okay, those pages. So if I were to set the question, I would write this error as that pages, that instead of this, because the change is too great. Okay, the change is too great. So I think this is a bit of an error here. Okay. Just then a librarian walked by and Kelsey waved to get her attention. He explained what had happened. So I saw that here, had. Okay, so the participle form should be, the participle form should be happened. Okay, Happened. So that should be the participle form. Okay. She coaxed the boy to stop tearing the pages, but he ignored her too. Wow. Quite an insolent boy, huh? Two people asked him to stop, but he refused. His mother came over looking concerned. Seeing the torn pages, she scolded her son on the foot to replace a book. She should replace that particular book. Right? She should replace that particular book. So this would not be a. I would say that would be the specific book. Okay, that book with the torn pages. The book should be the correct determiner. Okay, or the article, because it is that specific book that is being torn here. Okay, so I have picked out 8 errors. So in other words, oh no, 2, 6, 9. I've not picked out 8 errors. I picked out 7. So which one is the other error here? Okay, let's see. He enjoyed reading. Enjoyed, correct. Provided, correct. This really seems correct. Alarmed, Kelsey asked the boy, "What are you doing there?" Wait. That sounds wrong. That should be, "Why are you doing that?" Because it's questioning. It's questioning, and he is interested to know why the boy is tearing the book. So that should be, "Why are you doing that?" Not, "What are you doing that?" Okay, that's wrong. Okay, so that tells me that, okay, this is correct. Line 2 is correct and line 9 is correct. Okay,